Well, to be honest, from the starting of the session, I was always aiming for the top. And in the middle of the journey, sometimes the weight used to catch up to me and I used to lose hope in myself. But then, at that moment, all my teachers, who are like my second parents, they were always there to guide me. Whenever I lost belief in myself, they were always there to push me. They told me that I can reach the highest heights. So I would first of all, I would like to thank my parents, my mother and my father. They worked very hard for me. Secondly, I would like to thank my teachers and also my school, because they have given me everything. What I am today and what I stand as today, all of it is a conglomeration, and it is a result of their efforts. I would like to say that. And lastly, I would like to thank God Almighty that He gave me such a wonderful moment to celebrate, to commemorate my hard work and efforts. And to be honest, I didn't even check my result. I was so nervous and I was so scared that I just put my phone on flight mode and I was listening to Lord Krishna's teachings and I was meditating. And the moment it was 11 o'clock, I just came to school with my mother without knowing anything, and seeing all the celebrations and all the wildness going on. I didn't even know what happened. I came here and they all said, and it all hit me, you know. Till now also I'm feeling like it all feels like a dream. To be honest, I never thought that I could not achieve this, but you know, there is always something that also, how can I, there are thousands of students going for this exam, so it will be very difficult. So but to be getting this wonderful result, I'm really thankful to God. And to be honest, it all feels like a dream and it all feels so ethereal. And my mindset was because if I wouldn't get this position, my teachers would be disappointed, I would be disappointed too. Yes, I would feel very broken hearted. So I thought that in that moment, Lord Krishna's teachings helped me. Like we should, anything that we do, we should do it with our whole heart. Because the human duty, the foremost human duty is to fulfill our responsibilities, our dharma and our karma. And we should, whatever we do, we should do it with our whole heart. And we should never have any expectation for the result, because when we carry out our actions like that, even if we achieve victory, the pleasure of victory won't affect us, and even the suffering of defeat won't affect us. So throughout these few weeks, I have been pondering upon that, and that was my mindset all along. And I'm very thankful to God that I have received this great, this monumental, this result of such magnitude. And I'm thankful to everyone, my teachers and my school that has given me everything, and my parents. That's all I would like to say.